I'm Nick, and welcome to my shop. This week's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm in between projects, which is a great time to do just shop maintenance, and honestly, right now it is needed. This shop is small, and I just have stuff, random bits of wood everywhere. So I'm going to get to it. I'm going to clean up some stuff here, put stuff away, service my chucks, clean off my lathe bed, just, the little things that you need to do to maintain a shop. I'm going to do that in this video. So let's get to it.
When I'm in the shop, I typically wear a smock, so the first thing to do is get it clean. In the shop, I use an air filtration system. It works great. It's been about 4 months, so it's time to change the outside filter. Next thing to do is service the tools.
This is why why maintenance is important. This is all surface rust here on the lathe.
To clean the bedways here, I'm just going to use some WD-40 and a green scouring pad. This lathe also has a sliding headstock, so I'm going to slide out of the way and clean underneath there as well. The bandsaw receives the same kind of treatment. I also wipe it down with alcohol when I'm done and put some paste wax on top. That helps protect it and the wood slides over it really smoothly. I don't put paste wax on my lathe because it attracts dirt, and with the bedways and the headstock and all that stuff sliding around, it just gums it all up. With that service, this bandsaw is good as new. The majority of my time is cleaning chucks. I have 3 chucks, 2 strongholds, and a supernova, and I absolutely love the stronghold chucks. But to clean them, you just got to take them apart, spray them down with some WD-40, lube them back up with some dry lubricant, and reassemble. If you ever work with these chucks, you'll notice that all the little slides have numbers on them, and they're important because when you put it back together, you need to index it so they go exactly in where they came out of. So I put some tape on the side, mark the numbers, so when I pull them apart, I know exactly where they went back in at. I also own a MIDI lathe, and it's currently on loan to a local makerspace. And that lathe has a Nova G3 chuck. Honestly, this chuck hasn't been cleaned ever since I owned it, so I took the opportunity here and cleaned it with the rest of the chucks. With everything clean, now it's time to deal with the just random stuff everywhere. I don't know if your shop's like mine, but it's pretty bad. I've always used a bucket to store my turning tools. It's just nice and convenient, it's easy to move, but I think it's time to finally put up a rack and store them on the wall where I can easily see them. I think this is going to work out nicely.
And that is one clean shop. Tools are all serviced, and it's ready for another project. Don't mind this thing. It's a new to me tool. Still needs tuned up and stuff, but that's for the future. And of course, I still have my wall of disheveled wood. Well, I think that about wraps it up. The shop is clean, the tools are serviced, ready to go and make bigger messes. In the process, I dug out more wood for future projects. This is going to be some fun stuff I'm going to make out of this here. But as always, thanks for watching and have fun.